More than 30% of adults experience joint pain every single week. That dull ache can quietly steal your comfort and limit simple movements.
But here's the good news all. Soothing relief can begin right in your kitchen.
Today, we'll explore 7 natural home remedies to ease joint pain safely.
First, turmeric acamol, one of the most trusted natural remedies for joint pain.
Curcumin, the key compound in turmeric, helps block enzymes that trigger inflammation.
Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in warm milk or water. Add a pinch of black pepper, and drink daily.
Avoid high doses if you're pregnant or take blood thinners. Always consult your doctor. Next, ginger, another powerful anti-inflammatory herb that soothes stiff joints. Ginger's active compounds, called gingerols, block pain pathways and increase circulation. Boil a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger for tea, or apply it warm as a compress on the joint. Avoid applying ginger directly on broken skin, or if your skin reacts to heat.
Another soothing remedy is an Epsom salt soak, a gentle way to relax stiff joints.
Epsom salt's magnesium absorbs through the skin, relaxing muscles and easing inflammation.
Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes.
If you have kidney problems or diabetes, check with your doctor before using Epsom salt often. Another simple remedy is olive oil. It helps reduce stiffness and keeps joints flexible.
Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural compound that works like mild pain relievers.
Warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day. Make sure the oil is only mildly warm before massaging. Too much heat can irritate the skin. Apple cider vinegar is another simple remedy that helps flush toxins and lubricate joints. Apple cider vinegar helps neutralize uric acid buildup that often contributes to joint pain. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water and a little honey. Drink before meals daily. Always dilute apple cider vinegar. Undiluted forms can damage enam and irritate your throat.
Cold and warm compresses together can quickly ease swelling and stiffness in sore joints.
Cold packs help numb sharp pain and bring down swelling in inflamed joints.
Warm compresses boost circulation and relax stiff muscles around the joints. Apply a cold pack for 10 minutes, then switch to a warm compress for another 10 to relax and heal. Always wrap your ice or heat packs in a thin cloth. Direct contact can harm your skin. Omega-3 fatty acids help calm inflammation and keep your joints moving smoothly. Omega-3s lower inflammation chemicals in the body and help joints stay well lubricated. Include fatty fish twice a week or take fish oil supplements after consulting your doctor. If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor before starting omega-3 supplements.
Pairing these remedies with gentle movement and a balanced diet enhances long-term joint comfort. Even small steps matter. Consistency and care help your joints regain strength day by day.
You don't need expensive treatments. Comfort often begins with simple daily care. Let's quickly recap: turmeric, ginger, Epsom salt, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, compresses, and omega-3s. Consistency makes the biggest difference, Bu. Gentle daily care supports healing over time. Let's go over a few common mistakes that can reduce the effectiveness of these remedies. Skipping remedies breaks their rhythm. Yeah. Consistency is key to seeing real relief over time.
More isn't better, Ep. High doses of natural remedies can upset your stomach or interact with medications.
Always consult your doctor before starting any new home remedy. Guidance ensures safety and balance.
Staying still too long can stiffen joints. Gentle movement keeps circulation and flexibility alive.
Ignoring nutrition slows healing. That's it. Eat colorful, anti-inflammatory foods to nourish your joints. Joint pain doesn't have to control your life to. Small, mindful habits bring real comfort back. Start with 1 or 2 remedies today and give your body time to respond naturally. Healing takes patience. Your body responds best to gentle, steady care over time.
Nature already provides what your body needs. It just takes awareness and consistency. Stay patient. Stay kind to yourself to start. Healing is a journey, not a race.
And remember, sometimes the simplest remedies start right at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health videos.